people who are scared of ghosts or are scared of scary places, or those who do not believe in ghosts. Even I don't believe. I'm a student of science. But all those who are afraid of mysterious places or scary places or the stories that are told about these kind of places, all those who are scared, please do not watch this video. All those who do not believe or speak all sorts of rubbish, this, that, the other, and the whole entire world around it, don't watch it. Those who believe in yours truly, only those should watch this video today, because in today's video, we are going inside a mysterious cave, guys. In our village, there is this kind of a tunnel or a cave. It can be called a cave, but it's really a tunnel, inside which, not just at night, but in the day also. Yes, guys, even in broad daylight, nobody has the courage to enter it. And that particular mysterious tunnel, that has not been made by humans. In fact, it has been made by natural processes. Natural. It's a natural tunnel, about which it is said, I don't say it, I'm not saying this at all. It is said that it is a haunted tunnel, and inside which nobody likes to enter, and in fact nobody has the courage to think about it. Cutting between two hills, this is such kind of a tunnel where, whether there is a danger from ghosts or not, there is definitely a danger of snakes and scorpions and all such things. So in today's video, only at your request, you kept saying take us on an adventure, so we are doing that. The entire team is with me. Even I don't have the courage of going in alone. Please, you also don't try this. And remember, if there is a place where there is some kind of a risk, there is some kind of a danger, please don't go there. Because even if there is no danger from ghosts, the living ghosts that are human beings, they can create a lot of trouble. That's why I'm warning you. So, let's come back to the agenda. In our village, we have such a mysterious tunnel, guys. I said it earlier, I'm going to say it once again. Not just the day, even at night, nobody has the guts to go there. I think I said the wrong thing, right?
No.
It's not wrong. What I mean to say is this, that my friends, my subscribers, not just at night, but even in the daytime, nobody has the courage to enter that place, but we are going to attempt this challenge. In this challenge, all of us are not just going to enter that tunnel, but also cross that entire tunnel. I don't say that there is ghosts there, but I do say that it is a scary place. That place is really scary. So all those who don't agree with this video, don't watch it. No worries. But those who want to watch it and those who like adventure, those people watch it fully from the start to the end, and we are going to go into that tunnel just for you guys. And for YouTube videos, this happens to be our job, to offer you adventure, to show you new places all the time. We show you everything that we have. Maybe someone might have shown it. Maybe someone might have entered that tunnel, but today we are entering that place just for you. Let's keep the like aim at 1 million likes. Let's fulfill 20 million. We already have titanium in our blood. Please don't try to do any of this at home. This will be a teamwork. 2 people will walk ahead with torches. And for the safety of those 2, we have these special shoes which will safeguard against snakes as well as scorpions. Bhavani put them on. And for the purpose of light, we have this torch. Let's light up this torch, although we have the other light, but fire is a substance that can scare away anything, and that is why let's light this up. So guys, the torch is lit right here, and now let us go into that tunnel. But guys, yes, energy. Energy. Alright, get ready. Everyone is going to follow me. So till the point we can take a vehicle, we will take it. And the road ahead of that, we will have to cross it on foot.
Let's go!
Let's go!
I don't think we can go further.
We are going to
Brother,
reach
there
the
seems
tunnel
to be-
very soon. Okay? Everyone stick together, stick together. Guys, thorns have been planted here at regular intervals so that no one manages to enter into this tunnel. But we are going to do it. Come on. Now take a look, guys. Look here. What kind of bushes are here in this place? This is from where the area of the tunnel begins. Look. The whole place is filled with thorns. As we are moving further into the tunnel, the depth of the tunnel keeps on increasing, guys. Okay, now look here. Look at this. The mountainous track has started. It is also mountainous on the other side.
It looks dangerous.
Guys, look in front. Wait, show it to them. Show it to the public. Guys, look in front. Keep walking. Look ahead. What happened? Shh.
Wait, don't go ahead.
Hey, no one is going ahead. The road is very
Wait.
dangerous. Wait here.
Bro,
What?
there are bones everywhere.
Huh?
Bones everywhere.
Yes, bones.
Where?
Look at this. Look at this.
Guys,
Look
look
at
at this.
Bro, look at this.
Hey, keep it down, man. Keep it down. Are you mad?
Whose head is it? I
Hey,
think this.
guys, now with this thing,